We're outside of 1322 Pine Street. We're going to show you Unit 2. It's a beautiful 2-bed, 2 full bath apartment in this Washington Square West section of Philadelphia. Broad Street, which is the main thoroughfare of Philadelphia, is, you know, a block that way at the next light. Down this way is, and through this way is Washington Square. It's a beautiful section of the city, a lot of tree-lined streets, lots of cafes, coffee shops, restaurants, bars, like you name it, it's here. Center City is just a couple blocks that way. You could argue we're in Center City. Rittenhouse Square is on that side of Broad Street, also very close to here. It's really an A-plus location and neighborhood in Philadelphia. Now I'm going to take you into the property and show you Unit 2. So as we walk in, you'll first notice the intercom on your right. Okay, there's 2 units in this building. You're seeing the upper level unit. This is the vestibule. What's nice is that there's 2 locking doors in this vestibule. So not only does the front door lock, but this door locks as well. This is the entrance to Unit 1. And up these stairs is the entrance to Unit 2. So let's take a look. Okay, around this corner, you're gonna see 2 doors. Unit 1 has a second entrance up here, okay? The entrance to your unit, Unit 2, is right here on the right. And this is the hallway I just came through. So now let's head up. Okay, let's go. First here you notice a closet. And to the right, high ceilings, beautiful hardwood floors, kitchen island with upgraded countertop, stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, gas oven and range, refrigerator, sink, nice window while doing dishes. There's a lot of cabinets and storage under the island, next to the microwave. This living area stretches the width of the property, which is very nice. It's a really great size. There's central air and central heat just for this unit. The other unit has its own system. So up this way is the primary suite bedroom. Before we go there, we'll check out the other bedroom. First here on your left is your stacked washer and dryer. Obviously private to your unit. Inside here is a great pantry or additional closet storage space. Lots of natural light and windows. Here's the first full bathroom. There's a second one upstairs. Shower tub combo. There's a skylight, which is great. And then nice storage underneath the sink. Okay. Here's your first bedroom. Working fireplace. This is your closet. This is the bedroom from this angle. We do have floor plans available, so if you haven't seen it already, you can request that. This is to the fire escape. Which can take you all the way down to the ground level. And there's also another fire escape that runs from the next level. So that's where the stair goes up to. Down there is the ground, and then up there is the second level of this unit. Okay. That's your electric panel. So let's move up the stairs. Okay. So just came past the kitchen, gonna move up to the second level of the unit. Another skylight there. That is the door to the other fire escape that I was telling you about. Okay. Now let's check out this primary bedroom. So, huge bedroom. Great natural light, beautiful hardwood floors. This is your view down to Pine Street. You are on the top floor of the building, so this is where the least amount of street noise would be. This is your second full bathroom. Glass shower enclosure. The other bathroom has a tub, toilet, vanity, mirror. It's really spectacular. Primary bedroom, suite, could be bedroom and office space. Just has so much space and room up here. A lot of our other landlords would make this 2 bedrooms, just on this floor. So it really is spacious. It's your walk-in closet, so tons of storage for this bedroom. And just in case you needed it, natural light within your closet. So it's a great, really great primary suite. So this is the unit. 2 beds, 2 full bath, HVAC, newly updated. If you have any questions, please comment below or email us directly. Thank you for watching, and let us know if you're interested.